Exactly the weather here to be running in, not if it's rain you don't like. But that, of course, is good news for many gardeners and farmers amongst you. But it's already causing us a headache, only the second batch that we've seen this autumn, and we've already had to issue a severe weather warning for the southwest of England the next few hours, giving some quite dangerous conditions on the roads because the ground is so dry. We'll see quite a lot of runoff, so some localised flooding is possible. And it's not just the southwest of England either. That rain is developing quite widely now into the south of Wales, and it will slowly edge northwards and eastwards, and that's the problem really, because it's a slow-moving band of rain. When it starts raining with you, it's likely to last quite a long time. But away from the UK, we're already looking out to the Atlantic for the next batch of rain. This one here behind me, that's coming in for the weekend. But let's look a little bit more detail on today's weather, because although it will rain in western and southern areas, actually further north and east it's not a bad day at all. Some brightness, we're losing the morning fog, and there's just the odd shower in the northeast of Scotland. But going downhill across much of Wales, the Midlands and southern England as that rain turns increasingly heavy and persistent. The wind's picking up as well, so I should imagine it'll be fairly miserable out and about. Then overnight it will continue its progress northwards, but then grind to a halt. It'll probably reach about Blackpool to Hull and then grind to a halt. So it's Wales, the Midlands and East Anglia, Lincolnshire too, where we'll see, well, plenty of rain, almost 12 to 18 hours of rain. So let's concentrate on this area of rain first thing tomorrow. Strengthening northerly wind will slowly push it southwards, but ahead of that in the south it may actually start fairly dry and bright, but we could have some dense patches of fog. And in the southeast, particularly Sussex and Kent, well, here we can have a real rash of showers through the day. Equally, those could give us some sizable amounts of rain. Now, further north of our rain band, it also looks like an increasingly cloudy day. More rain, certainly for Scotland and the east of Scotland in particular, with some hill snow, and Northern Ireland too. Given that we've got a strengthening northerly wind, it's going to feel quite bitterly cold, I should imagine, here with some sleet and snow around, and a pretty miserable day for many parts of England and Wales. So again, temperatures are fairly academic. But it is looking promising for a brighter, drier day on Saturday, once we clear that rain from the London region first thing. But more rain on the way for Sunday, as you can see for yourself, and that's coming in off the Atlantic. We looked at it on the satellite picture. It'll take a time to clear from the southeast, and once again, Anna, it will be accompanied by gale force winds. Autumn's here.